Hello there, this is Calgary Rekey Lockworks, 403-620-5202. I'm just on the bench here, about to work on a 2004 Dodge Dakota ignition lock switch. Not the switch, the ignition lock cylinder itself. Customer was complaining that the key was sticking badly and had a hard time getting it turned, and asked us to come out and have a look at it. And as you can see, there's a couple holes drilled into it. The reason being is because they were watching a video online, like many people do, and showing you how to remove the lock yourself, which they were unsuccessful at, so they called us to come and address the situation. So I have managed to remove it with a key after I decoded the door lock to get the ignition, as they are matched on the same key. And I will show you the inside of it once I pull it apart here to show you what's going on with it, what caused it to jam. Thank you kindly. Stay tuned.